Hello and welcome to Solely Joe. Today we'll be making a removable wristlet strap. These are suitable for your zipper pouches and your clutch purses. So you'll need a piece of fabric that is 12 inches long by 2 inches wide. The reason for the width is we're using a swivel hook that is half an inch. So a half an inch 4 times will give you 2 inches. You can also add a piece of interfacing to your fabric that is 1 inch shorter in length. So your interfacing would be about 11 inches. So first you'll fold your fabric in half lengthwise and press to create a crease. Then you will bring in the 2 raw edges towards that crease and press again. Then you will fold over in half again, and now you will have a ½ inch wide piece of fabric. Place your fabric through the swivel hook and bring the 2 short edges together, matching the raw edges. Make sure to open out the folds, and you will take this to your sewing machine and stitch across using a ½ inch seam allowance. If you use your interfacing at 1 inch shorter, that will indicate where the ½ inch mark is, and you can use that to sew your piece together. If you're receiving value from this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're not subscribed as yet. So as you can see, we've stitched the short edges together, and now we're going to open up the seam. You can press it or finger press it, and then we're going to refold the way that we did at the beginning so that we can have our ½ inch width. You will pin or clip, and you can take this now back to the sewing machine, and you will sew around the 2 outer edges using a 1/8 seam allowance. Now we've sewn the 2 long edges, we're going to sew across ½ an inch down from the swivel hook to secure the swivel hook in place, and now your strap is complete, and you can add it to any zipper pouch or clutch that you wish. I hope that this tutorial was useful to you, and I thank you for watching. Go to my channel at Solely Joe and check out some awesome tutorials on how to make the Etel tote, the maple bag, and NCW wallet.